Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor sent me a product. This is a free product, and this is a paid shoppable video. What is a shoppable video? It is not a sales video. It is a video to let you know what this product is like and whether it's for you or not. And if it is, great, buy it. If it's not, you can move on to the next product. So that is what a shoppable video is for, just to let you know what you're buying inside this box. So let's take a look, shall we? So they are a hiking sandal. First thing I notice is they're very light. I have some hiking shoes, or hiking sandals. They're much heavier than this, much heavier. So that, I think, would probably be a plus. You can see. They're actually very nice looking. A very nice looking sandal, I would say. Very, I'm pushing in, kind of very cushy, very cushy. Looks like it'll be easy to put on. I like that. I do have some water hiking shoes, and they're really nice, but they're super hard to put on. So I like that it has this strap in the back that loosens up, because that is the hard part to get on my other water shoes. So, or hiking sandals, we should call them. So let's try these on. I've got both. All right. So we will. So the nice thing about this, I can see right off the bat, it should be pretty easy. I mean, you can just pull this, push this and pull that and loosen the whole shoe up, which is nice. You can pull that strap back, which I think is a great thing. Because this is where, in my other hiking sandals, this is the hard part of getting the sandal on. So let's see what we got. Wow, that's very nice. That is nice. Very comfortable. Very comfortable, actually. I'm probably just going to wear these today. I'll loosen these up, just like that. Very easy to put on. I like, that is a very nice feature, that they're easy to put on. My other pair are very nice, but they're harder to put on. They're harder to put on. So that's what they look like on. Oh, they're comfortable. Very cushy. I've seen some of the people that have written in on these, and they say they're too squishy for them. I would disagree. These are nice. They're kind of like walking on a pillow. I like that when I'm hiking. It depends on what you like when you're hiking. But if you're on the fence about these, I'd say jump off the fence. They're nice. They're very nice. Closed toes, I like that, so you can't stub your toe on something, but yet open on the sides. So if you're walking through a pond or a creek, it's going to drain back out again. I like them.